Nowadays, it's really not a good idea to jumpstart a vehicle. We've all seen that video where the jumper cables are melting because someone hooked up something wrong or the jumper cables just weren't adequate for what they were doing. So many electronics in your vehicle, you're going to cause some issues. You're going to end up spending thousands of dollars just for something silly, so don't do that. You're going to want to use something like this. This is the Andeman Epower-155. Let's take a look at it. It's got a nice case. This video is sponsored by Andeman. They did send me this product to check it out. You can see it's wrapped up in this case nice. And it's a solid case. Feels nice, feels quality. It's an owner's manual. See the device here. This is the battery pack and the jumper. Oh, it's got 82% right now, so we're gonna have to charge it up. Oh. Hold the power button down and you've got a flashlight. It's really bright. That's good. Push it again, it flashes. Flashes slower if you push it again, and then off. And then you have some USB outputs, which is good. You can charge other devices, you can charge your phone. That's where you're going to put the cables to jumpstart a car. Feels quality. Open this up. Here's if you need an auxiliary. So you can plug that in there. You have auxiliary power. That's nice. Here's a cable. This looks like a charging cable. It's going to plug in right there. In output. Here's the jumper cables. Plug that in right there. And you can hook this up to your car. Jumpstart your car. But again, we're at 82%. We'll charge it up fully to 100%. Let's see what else we got in here. Oh, here's a plug. And a cable. Yeah, that's pretty good. So let's plug it in, charge it up, give it a try. The red lead up to the positive, black to the negative. We can see light is green. We can see right here where the green light is, it says it's correct, and if it was red, it would be reversed. You'd have to flip it the other way. All right, start it up. Take it off. There we go. We only lost 2% from starting it. That's pretty good. All right, this jump starter battery pack is great. If you're interested in this, definitely check out the link in the description, and there is a coupon code you can use to get a discount on the tool. It's a great idea to have something like this so you don't get left stranded and you don't want to mess around with jumper cables. Definitely get one of these. That's going to be your best option. Thanks. There we go, started right up.